KRECO provides intelligent power solutions, especially the medical power adapters. We have 6 watts to 480 watts series. Today we introduce our 96 watt series. So this 96 watt series could be used for healthcare, medical, and beauty equipment or instruments. It passed IEC 6060-1 standard. It passed many certifications, and the output voltage could be customized. Customize the output voltage and current, and is very good performance, high reliability, and very easy to installation for you. This is the application. CB test report. So we welcome you to inquire us for whatever power you need, and whatever output voltage and current, we do customization for you. Thank you.